First, install the aluminum bar and adjust its position. Install the lathe chuck nut and secure it tightly. Machine the end face of the aluminum bar. Rotate the hand wheel to advance the cutting tool slowly forward. One full rotation represents 1 mm. One small division represents 0.05 mm. One large division represents 0.1 mm. Take a light cut and observe the condition of the end face. Adjust the distance between the drill bit and the aluminum bar. Position the drill bit approximately 1 centimeter away from the aluminum bar. Slowly rotate the spindle to drill the workpiece. Rotate back and forth periodically to aid heat dissipation and chip removal during drilling.